Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install VLC media player on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can install VLC media player. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for VLC media player, and the first link which will appear here will be from videoland.org. So just click on this link. I'm going to give you the link in the description of this video also, so you can directly click that link. So I'm going to just click this official website link of VLC media player. And once this website opens, you will directly see this download button on the videoland.org website. So I'm going to just click on this download button which says download VLC. And once you click on the download button, you can see the download of this exe file has been started. So I will wait for the download to complete. Now once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this executable file, and I'm going to minimize the browser first of all. So click yes and minimize the browser. And the first window you will see here will be the language in which you want to install VLC media player. So default is English. You can choose any other language of your choice, but I will leave it as English and then click on OK. And then here I'm just going to click on the next button. And here you can read the license terms and conditions, and if you agree with those license terms and conditions, click on next, and just leave everything as default here and then click on next. And this will be the location where VLC media player will be installed on your Windows 10 operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just click on the install button. So it will take few seconds to install VLC media player on your Windows 10 operating system. So I will wait for the installation to complete. So now I can see that this VLC media player icon has been created on my desktop, and I can also see that this VLC media player setup has been successfully finished. So just leave this as checked and then click on finish, which is going to launch the VLC media player. Now for the first time when you open VLC media player, you will see this kind of privacy, network and access policy page. So just click on continue now, and now you can use VLC media player on your Windows 10 operating system. So now let's say I want to open a video file, so I can just go to media here and then click on open file, and then I can just go to the location where my video file is there, and then I can select the file and then click on open, which is going to play this video file on your VLC media player. So this is how you can download and install VLC media player on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.